When you're working with poor soil, the key to success is creating a bed that's rich in nutrients and can support healthy plant growth. The first thing we need to do is choose the right spot for this project. Pick a location that gets 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. This is important because sunlight is the energy source plants need for photosynthesis, the process that helps them grow strong and produce fruit or vegetables. Without enough sunlight, even if the soil is perfect, the plants may struggle. Once we have the location, the next step is to remove the top 2 to 3 inches of soil. By removing it, we clear the way for building up a nutrient-rich bed. You're essentially creating space to fill with organic matter that will act like a buffet of food for your plants. The key is to remove just enough soil without digging too deep, so you still have some of the original soil to work with later. Now comes the fun part, adding organic waste to improve the soil. We're going to collect kitchen waste, like fruit and vegetable peels, and add leaves from trees in your garden. Chopping them up is essential, because smaller pieces will decompose more quickly, allowing the nutrients to become available to the plants faster. The kitchen waste is rich in nitrogen, which plants need for leafy growth. Adding leaves introduces carbon into the mix. Together, these ingredients create a balanced diet for your plants as they break down and release nutrients into the soil. After spreading this chopped organic matter, we'll sprinkle a cup of neem cake powder and bone meal over the bed. Neem cake powder adds even more benefits. It's made from the neem tree and acts as both a fertilizer and a pest repellent. Neem cake enriches the soil with organic nutrients while also helping to protect plants from harmful pests and diseases. Bone meal is a slow-release fertilizer rich in phosphorus, a nutrient that helps with root development and flowering. This is particularly important if you're planning to grow vegetables that need strong roots and lots of flowers before they can produce fruit. Together, bone meal and neem cake provide an extra boost that will set your bed up for success. Once that layer is down, we're going to take the soil we removed earlier and put it back on top of the organic matter. This helps to create a balanced environment where the organic materials can start breaking down beneath the soil. As the kitchen waste, leaves, bone meal, and neem cake decompose, they release nutrients into the soil, creating a fertile bed for your plants to thrive in. By returning the soil on top, we're also protecting this nutrient-rich layer from pests or weather conditions that might cause it to break down too quickly or get washed away. To finish things off, we're going to add a final layer of fully decomposed manure. This manure is packed with nutrients and is an excellent way to improve the structure of poor soil. Manure contains a mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, all essential for plant growth. It also helps the soil retain moisture while improving its ability to drain well, making sure plants don't become waterlogged, but also don't dry out too quickly. This step also boosts microbial activity in the soil, encouraging healthy soil bacteria that break down organic matter and make nutrients available to plants. Once the manure is spread, we're going to leave the bed for 3 to 4 weeks before planting anything. This waiting period is crucial because it gives the organic matter time to break down and begin enriching the soil with nutrients. If you plant too early, the decomposition process may still be in full swing, and it can make the soil too hot or unstable for new plants to take root properly.